Hi guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing one-pot Caribbean seasoned rice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So here I have my chicken breast. It's already cleaned and washed. So basically, we are going to go ahead and start season our chicken breast. Now, this seasoned rice is very easy, very simple. It's one of my favorites, and I like to add some curry to my seasoned rice. So today I'm going to take you guys on a journey with me and I hope you guys enjoy, and you can always go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this amazing seasoned rice. Now, I'm going to go ahead and season my chicken breast like I said. So basically, I'm going to add some onion powder, some garlic powder. I will also go in and add some paprika. I will add some cilantro. Of course, I'm going to add some oregano. I will also add some of my all-purpose seasoning and some black pepper. I will also go in and add some of my curry powder. And I'm using the Indian curry today. However, you do have other brands of curry on the market. You can always go ahead and check that out. And just to note guys, it's a little bit hard for me to get better pack curry, so for now we're just gonna use the best option, which is the Indian curry. I like the flavor and I also love the color of this Indian curry. Once I add all of that goodness, combine everything together nicely, and then we're gonna put it to the side for roughly about 25 minutes. All of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can visit your local meat shop and of course you will get chicken breast there, as well as you can always go ahead and buy a whole chicken and then you go ahead and debone it and remove the breast from it. All right, so here I have my pot that I'm going to prepare my seasoned rice in. I added some vegetable oil and then I went in and add my curry powder, and then I'm going to go in with some scallion. I will also add pieces of onion, my Scotch bonnet pepper, my garlic, and also my French thyme. Combine that together nicely and let me tell you, the flavor is amazing. So basically we're going to go ahead now and start cooking our chicken, and we don't want the chicken breast to be fully cooked. We want it to be cooked like probably about 90%, and then we're going to add the rice. So once we add the chicken breast, of course, we're going to combine that together nicely. Turn your stove on low heat and just allow your chicken breast to cook nicely. Please note your chicken breast not going to take forever to cook. Really easy, really simple. And then we're going to come back and add the white rice. I'm not using brown rice today. I'm using white rice. However, you have the option of using brown rice if it is brown rice that you have. So this is it, my chicken breast all ready. So basically it's time to go ahead and of course add some water to this. And just to note, some persons tend to add coconut milk instead of the water. You can always go ahead and do so. Like I always encourage you guys to be creative and just be you in the kitchen. So now we're gonna go ahead and of course add the water to this. And once we add the water, we're going to go ahead and add the rice. And as you can see, it's the same bowl that I season my chicken breast in, that I add the water to just get all of that seasoning that I use on my chicken breast. And then we're going to go ahead and add the rice. And of course, once we add the rice, we're just going to combine everything together nicely. And I'm just adding a little bit more salt just to bring up the flavor and the taste. And of course, once you add the salt, you just combine everything together again nicely. Once we add the rice, we're just going to allow this to cook nicely. nicely. And of course, you're going to turn your stove on medium heat. Once most of the water is boiled out of your rice, you're going to turn it down on low heat and allow that to steam nicely. Once it's finished, I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like. Some persons tend to add a piece of plastic on top once most of the water is boiled out so that it can steam nicely. You have the option of doing that also. And this is it, the final product of my amazing seasoned rice. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think about this amazing recipe. Tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all social media platforms and turn on your post notification bell. Thank you again for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye guys.